Pretty sure that they will go out to payday lenders and you know, and seek help during those times that they are in need. And I understand that there is a need for some type of way that people can borrow money, and I believe that there are other ways of offering help, and that's partnering with our local credit unions and our local banks and coming up with a system that is going to be beneficial to both parties, and it's not a system where what we have now, these payday lenders who don't want to be regulated in South Carolina. I proposed a bill that will eliminate payday lending in South Carolina. But as you are aware, our House Speaker, along with many other legislators, they have come up with a bill that will keep payday lenders alive here in the state, and I don't think they're doing enough to regulate payday lending and to safeguard the consumer or the citizens of South Carolina.
You said you can't.
I did. I campaigned for the office that I hold now to my constituents, saying that we need to ban payday lending in South Carolina.
What did they tell you?
They came out and they voted for me, and they elected me to the House of Representatives District 49. And when we polled the people during that time, payday lending was a hot issue, and they wanted to make sure that the people of South Carolina was safe from payday lenders.
Are you surprised that this bill has gotten that much traction?
I am, because in the past, payday lending has not been at the forefront in many issues here in South Carolina. And I think that now that a lot of legislators are putting pressure on payday lenders and making sure that we come up with some type of regulations, they're wanting to pacify it by giving us just a bill that does nothing, in my opinion, to really regulate them. Now, what I propose is that we put a 36% cap, interest rate cap, on payday lending. I believe that there should be a max of $300, whereas right now their proposal is a max of $600. When I say a 36% cap, right now it could be 391% interest. I propose that we have a 30-day grace period from the time a person take out a loan and they pay it off. From the time they pay it off, they have to wait 30 days before they can take another one out. I believe that there should be a database put in place to where you can't go from one payday lender to the next payday lender in the same day and receive a loan. I believe that also in my amendment to this bill that they have proposed is I want to see where we take 50 cents out of every loan that they process and use it as an educational mechanism for financial literacy. So I want to see some major changes and some regulation when it comes to payday lending.
You said people need help. In other words, they need a little bit of cash to tide them over. Going to a payday lender, does that really help?
In my opinion, no, it isn't, because they are not building any type of credit. In my proposal, I have a bank in my community, Family Trust. Family Trust has put up a program, and I can get you the details on it, but if you go and let's use for an example, you want to borrow $500. They will take $50 of that $500. At the same time, you're building credit and you're building a savings. So that's what I'm looking for when people, if these institutions are truly interested in helping the general public, that's what I'm interested in, some program like that.
I hate to be cynical, but do you think these payday lenders are really interested in helping the public?